To start, find a comfortable position, either sitting on a cushion on the floor or on a chair. Sit tall with your back straight, but let your shoulders relax. Let your hands rest in your lap and then gently close your eyes. Breathe in for 4 seconds, pause for 2 seconds, and then breathe out for 4 seconds. Become aware of your body sitting here. Notice the sense of contact between your body and the seat beneath you. Notice your feet on the floor. Notice your clothes against your skin. Now let's consider a metaphor. Within the strong turbulent winds of a hurricane, the eye, the center of the hurricane, is quiet. There's no wind and no movement there. For a moment, picture this idea in your mind. Can you visualize the strong turbulent winds of a hurricane and the inner core that's peaceful and quiet? Now let's see if you can become like the center of the hurricane. Your current circumstances, your thoughts, your feelings, and the sensations throughout your body can be compared to the winds of a hurricane. Is it possible for you to let go of all of these things for a moment so that you're no longer taking part in them, like the center of the hurricane is not taking part in the turbulent surrounding winds? To do this, start by focusing on your breath. Simply breathe in and breathe out. Focus inward. Just like the eye is deep within the center of the hurricane, your center is deep within you. Use your breath to connect to this part of you. Simply breathe in and breathe out. Stay connected to your breath. If anything stressful happens in this moment, such as negative thoughts, unpleasant feelings, annoying sounds, difficult life events, memories, try to look at them as if they're the turbulent wind of the hurricane, whirling around, continually changing, unpredictable in nature, and notice that you are not them. You are the silent center of the hurricane, peaceful and at ease. You are not reacting. You are simply observing. Like the wind of the hurricane, these experiences are constantly moving and changing. You, on the other hand, are stable. You are still. As you are breathing, notice how you move more and more towards the center of the hurricane, towards the eye. Just like the turbulent wind of the hurricane, your thoughts, your feelings, and whatever's happening outside of yourself is still going on, but you are no longer a part of it. You are in a safe, peaceful place. Breathing in, breathing out. As you sit here, connected to your center, notice whatever arises. Notice the wind of the hurricane, but don't participate. Stay inside the eye of the hurricane. Notice thoughts, notice feelings, notice sensations. Continue to watch the ever-changing nature of the world inside and outside of you, but watch from a distance, with curiosity and without judgment, without reacting to what you see. No matter how intense or bad the hurricane gets, the eye is always centered, calm, and at ease. Even the most turbulent hurricane cannot hurt or harm the eye. The eye is safe. Whenever you feel you need to restore your inner peace, use your breath to connect to this silent part of yourself. Just breathe in and breathe out. It may help to visualize the hurricane with yourself in the center. It can be difficult to see the eye of the hurricane at times, and sometimes we forget the eye and get caught in the winds. If we examine closely enough, even the strongest, darkest hurricane, sooner or later will see the eye, centered and constant. Now, when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Perhaps you'd like to explore more of our guided exercises, or perhaps you feel ready to continue on the recovery journey.